Oh, great. All right, come on, come on. Put that down. I've got a sewing machine over here.
Turn it on.
That's where you tore it. I see. Okay. All right, get your leg up there. Come on. It's a stealth singer.
That's perfect.
It sure is. All right, now get that flour. Come on. I'll turn on the fryer here. Oh, listen to that oil sizzle.
I think there's a hole in here. Okay, this flour's getting heavy. Help me out here.
Okay, all right. We got to put it here in the stir thing here.
Okay.
As you can tell, I'm an expert. Maybe you should open the bag.
Oh. Thanks. Must be white flour.
Yeah. Well, they're mini donuts. We don't mind.
That's true. That's true.
All right, I've got a bunch of oil here. Take off the top.
That sounds just like the flour.
I got canola flour. Sorry, I've got the olive oil here. It's pretty thick. Sorry, it's the burritos.
Oh, you got that too. That's what we're eating. You wouldn't listen.
All right, get that stirring, would you?
Yeah.
No. Flip the switch there. It's an automatic.
Okay. Oh, it's not plugged in. All right.
Careful, it's a beast of a machine. I mean, it makes a roar.
All right. It sounds like Simba. Oh, look, he's here. It's not ready yet.
Hi, UPS?
Yeah,
That's your nuclear-powered donut maker.
Oh, wonderful. You're